In the early weeks of the pandemic, it was all the rage, the Netflix docuseries Tiger King. Well, the Tiger King himself back in the headlines, claiming he's on the ballot in Colorado for next year's presidential election. Joseph Maldonado, better known as Joe Exotic, announced Monday that he made the ballot in Colorado. He's currently serving a 22-year prison sentence for trying to hire two men to kill animal welfare activist Carol Baskin. But the Secretary of State's office says that's not actually the case, what he's saying. Joe Exotic did do some steps necessary. The Secretary of State's office says because the 2024 presidential paperwork hasn't been published yet, it can't be official. And they also require candidates to be like real members, legitimate members of a major political party, and that appears to be a bit unlikely for Joe Exotic.